Some fun when Snubby Gun plays Private Eye, and you can have the same kind of fun with Mattel's Tommy Burst Detective Set. The Tommy Burst has automatic bolt action. Fire off a burst of 10 shots. Pull the bolt again, you're reloaded. Or fire single shots like a rifle. The Tommy Burst alone is $3. In the Detective Set, you also get the Snub Nose 38 and Snap Draw Shoulder Holster. The pistol fires greeny stickum caps and shoots safe shooting shells. The exciting new Tommy Burst Detective Set includes wallet, badge, and ID card. $7 wherever toys are sold. You can tell it's Mattel. It's swell.
Secret Sam with hidden camera that really works.
Your assignment, danger. Your mission, find the master spy. Your weapon, Secret Sam. Through Secret Sam's periscope, you see him, but he can't see you. You locate the master spy, you talk to him, and Secret Sam's hidden camera is taking his picture right now. Suddenly you're discovered. Secret Sam fires bullets from inside the case. Secret Sam has barrel extension. Special missile sends message to your partner. Mission accomplished. You hand over real photograph. Secret Sam with periscope, message missile, rifle stock, barrel extension, even shoots through this carrying case. And this real camera that works in secretly or out. Takes real photos. Secret Sam. Secret Sam.
It's broken the sound barrier. It's the Mattel Thunderburp with the real vibrasonic sound chamber that's loaded forever and ever. No batteries, no caps. That Thunderburp looks like real, sounds like real. It even vibrates like real. It's safe to play with. Just flip up the sight, pull back the bolt, and fire. And for outdoor smoking action, add the Mattel Tommy Burp to your gun collection. It fires caps with smoking bursts or single shots. It's rugged, too, with a real wood grain feel. Easy to load and easy to fire. Pull the trigger for single shots or turn the crank for smoking bursts. The Tommy Burp is really for real, right down to the adjustable flip sight. The Tommy Burp is $2.50. The no battery, no cap Thunderburp is $3. Get both wherever toys are sold. And remember, you can tell it's Mattel. It's swell, swell, swell.
Wait a minute, Dad. I haven't finished Dick Tracy.
You can't read.
Okay, read to me.
Oh, okay. Now, let's see. Tracy's trapped by the crooks. Gee, he's in a real tough spot.
Boy, I'll draw my Dick Tracy Snub Nose 38, and I'll... See that shooting shell, Dad? Fires greeny stickum caps, too.
Well, let's get back.
Then I'll pull back the bolt, and I'll blast my way out with Mattel's Dick Tracy Tommy Burst. You can fire a whole burst of caps, or shoot one at a time.
I thought you wanted to read Dick Tracy.
Not now. I think he's on television.
You can get Mattel's fabulous new Dick Tracy Snub-Nose 38 pistol and special belt holster, or the exciting Tommy Burst machine gun for $3 each. They're the only official Dick Tracy guns. And remember, you can tell it's Mattel. It's swell.
You're playing hunter, spot, big game, load and fire. Take your power, sight, and aim, and cock and fire. With Johnny Eagle, you can't miss. You've never seen guns like this from Johnny Eagle. Now take your army gun in hand, load and fire. With Johnny Eagle, you command, you load and fire. With Johnny Eagle, lots of fun. You've never seen an army gun like Johnny Eagle. You're in the west of yesterday, load and fire. Hear Johnny Eagle's say you aim and fire. Never guns like this before. Get Johnny Eagle, you get more with Johnny Eagle.
Boys, look at the
these real trophy wall plaques and think how swell they'll look in your room. Get them in sets or separately. Magumba, Lieutenant, Red River, from Johnny Eagle, by Tupper.
Anthem.